Hi, this is Tara, your hair system specialist. Our videos generally educate you on what you should use on your hair system, but today we will talk about what you should not use on your human hair system. Hair systems need adhesives like wig glues or tapes to bond well for a secure and comfortable fit. These products are formulated to be safe, gentle on the skin, and provide a strong, reliable bond without causing damage to the hairpiece or your natural hair. However, you cannot substitute wig glues specifically formulated with skin and hair system safe ingredients with readily available off-the-shelf glues meant for DIY projects or crafts. Why can't you use these glues? When it comes to hair systems and the scalp, it's essential to be cautious about the glues and adhesives used. Certain glues can cause severe skin irritation, allergic reaction, damage the skin and hair system, or even harm the scalp permanently. Besides, these glues don't break down, meaning they cannot bond well to your skin and do not hold your system in place. Because of this, they stick to your hair instead of your scalp, and it's painful and difficult to remove them. Even C22 or other adhesive release liquids will not work on them. So, unless you want a messy situation, only stick to wig glues. While most glues might look alike, they may not be skin friendly or safe to use on your skin or hair unit. Instead of using potentially harmful glues, opt for specialized adhesives and tapes designed explicitly for hair systems. It is essential to use the correct type of glue when attaching the hair system to your scalp. If you use harsh glues on your hair system, good luck removing them. Here are some of the glues you should avoid using on your hair system and scalp. Super glues, glue sticks, household glues, construction adhesives, Elmer's glue, Gorilla Glue, silicone-based sealants, rubber cement, nail glue, or any other glue not explicitly meant for hair system. Before using any adhesive, it's crucial to perform a patch test on a small skin area to check for potential allergic reactions or sensitivity. If you experience any adverse reactions or discomfort, discontinue use immediately and consult a professional. It's always best to seek advice from a hair system specialist or dermatologist to ensure you use safe, suitable products for your specific needs. We hope you like this video. Like and subscribe for more such videos. See you next time. Bye.